Hello, educators. Have you ever wished you had an assistant to handle those endless admin tasks? Or maybe a tool that could answer student questions, even at midnight? Imagine if lesson planning and research could be done in half the time. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, we're exploring Agent GPT, a tool designed to do exactly that and so much more. Welcome back to Latest Trends in Education, where we're diving into tools that lighten our load and elevate our teaching experience. So, let's get started. What is Agent GPT? Agent GPT is an innovative AI platform that lets users create customized autonomous agents directly from a browser. Whether it's lesson planning or grading, Agent GPT is here to make it easier. You simply give your agent a name and a goal, and it gets to work. It uses advanced models, like GPT-4, to perform tasks without needing our intervention. Now, let's explore how this can make a difference in the life of an educator. Agent GPT for teachers, key applications, interactive chatbots for student support. Imagine a chatbot that can answer student queries around the clock. With Agent GPT, educators can set up interactive assistants that help students beyond school hours, giving real-time support and answers, automating administrative tasks. Administrative work takes up so much of our time. From data entry to processing information, Agent GPT can handle it all. Letting teachers focus more on the classroom, efficient research assistance for teacher researchers. For teachers who do research, Agent GPT can help by gathering and summarizing educational trends, saving time on literature reviews and information gathering. Personalized learning plans. Agent GPT can analyze student data to help teachers create customized learning plans, making lessons more engaging and suited to each student's needs. Creative lesson planning support. Need fresh ideas? Agent GPT can generate lesson plan outlines, content ideas, and even draft materials to make lessons dynamic and interesting. Bridging language barriers. In diverse classrooms, communication is key. Agent GPT can offer translation services, ensuring all students get the support they need, regardless of their language. Professional development resources. Teachers can set up agents to find the latest teaching strategies and resources for skill building and continuous improvement. Feedback analysis. Feedback from students can be valuable. Agent GPT can help collect and analyze this data, guiding teachers on what's working and what can improve. Streamlined communication with parents and students. From reminders to updates, Agent GPT can automate these communication tasks, keeping everyone informed and engaged in real time. How is Agent GPT different from ChatGPT? ChatGPT answers questions in a conversational format. Agent GPT, on the other hand, can be given a broad goal and will work through steps to achieve it autonomously. How is Agent GPT different from AutoGPT? Both are autonomous AI agents, but while AutoGPT runs locally, Agent GPT is browser-based, making it easy to use from anywhere. What can Agent GPT do? Agent GPT is packed with tools to help teachers and is constantly evolving to add new features and capabilities. Conclusion: Agent GPT is truly a game-changer in education, making it easier for teachers to focus on what matters most, teaching. Thanks for tuning in to Latest Trends in Education. Stay with us as we explore more tools that are shaping the future of learning. Until next time, keep innovating.